Hello everyone, my name is Sophia and I will be introducing the first part of our presentation involving ed endings and regular past verbs. So for the first part in the presentation, we would start asking students what they did last week, what kind of activities. So the answer should be something like, I watched a movie, I cooked dinner, I walked to the park. We would write these sentences down as they are said and underline the past verbs. After this, we would ask students if they see a pattern going on, and then we would write down each verb in present tense with the ed ending separated. After this is done, we would hand out worksheets in which they explain the different kinds of ed pronunciations there is. We would go over this thoroughly, and then we would repeat all the examples, make sure it is clear the way to pronounce the ed endings in the different kinds of verbs. Then later on, for the practice part, we would make it more dynamic, and we would play a game in which involves splitting the class into two groups. And then I would write two words down on the board, and they would have to come up, one from each team, come up and change the word to a past tense. They would have to pronounce the word, and then they would have to change it, write another word down on the board, and pick a teammate to come and change that.
When the students have completed these tasks and we feel like they've practiced enough, we will clear any doubts that they might have about the lesson so far and divide the class into smaller groups. The idea here is to remove some of the structure of the controlled exercises and let the students be creative. Each group will be given a specific scenario or topic to work on. The students will have to write a dialogue in past tense and act it out in front of the class in the form of role-playing. The focus of this exercise shouldn't necessarily be grammatical accuracy, but more about students developing fluency. If any mistakes are made, they will be corrected when the exercise is finished. Thank you.